All right, what's going on, tycoons? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at SOFI, okay? SOFI is the ticker symbol. I really like this one a lot. And also, if you guys have your own stock or crypto that you would like me to chart up and analyze for you, go ahead and let me know in the comment section below. And, I do viewer requests frequently, and I'm going to start doing them every Friday, just trying to upload them all on Friday. So Fridays will be viewer requests, video Fridays, okay? With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the chart. So if you've been following me, okay, SoFi has been in this purple bearish channel. I've been telling you guys about it. We had a false breakout right here, okay? That's indicated by this little arrow right here. And, we weren't able to basically have a confirmed breakout out of it. And now we're trading back in it. All right, so let's zoom in a little bit more and look at the recent price action, okay? So we're looking at the daily chart right now. SoFi has been going down. I showed you guys some bullish divergence it had with these trend lines. Okay. And I said, hey, there's some bullish divergence in my last video. And if you look, let's just extend this to the right. The bullish divergence played out on this day. And we had a huge, massive green day. It broke out from that resistance and everything. So, that's very nice. Okay. Now, that right there is basically, we're basically breaking out from that resistance. You're using it as support to try to figure out if it's going to break it. And now we're, using that same trend line as resistance again. Okay. So we'll zoom in a little bit further and let's look at what it's done in the past few days. Okay. Now SoFi is on steal for me personally. Okay. This is not financial advice, but I mean, I've been saying 13 to 15 is a great buy zone on SoFi. If you can get in there, I definitely recommend buying some SoFi around that price level. Okay. Now look at this perfectly. Okay. I have these support and resistance levels charted up. All right. They've been here for months on SoFi. All right. And they've been valid. And look at right where we found support right there along my support line of the $13. We came down, just wicked just below it to 1301, and the bodies found the support right there along that support line clearly, as you can see on the 5-minute chart, and it recovered. Okay, it had a nice v-shaped recovery. It's been very flat ever since. I had a nice pop this morning along with the rest of the stock market, a fake out, which we predicted. And we had 5 different 100% trades this morning in the Options Trading Tycoons Discord within the first hour. So definitely join that. The link to join is below in the description. Okay. But yeah, that's why I want to show you guys basically is that it's hovering here right now. And this is a great time to start loading up. All right. Now, yes, we can break support and go below 13, possibly to, 12, $11. But I'm looking at this as like a good, if you trade options, get a nice options contract with like 4 to 6 months out or a year out, perhaps. And this is a really good swing trade. Okay. It may take 3 months, it may take 6 months for this trade to play out. But SoFi really loves going back and forth between 13 and 15 and up to 20. Okay. Let me get rid of this drawing set for you real quick and just show you guys kind of blank, okay, what it's doing here. Right. So we come back down to like 15, right? Runs up to 20, 25. Come back down, 15, dip below it a little bit, okay? Eventually recover, and then come back up to 25, right? And then come back down to 15, dip below it like it's doing right now, okay? And we could fall further, right? There's nothing stopping us from falling further. But it does have this pattern of finding support right below 15 and in between 15 and 13, and then recovering and coming back up, here to $25. So I'll show you guys a debit spread real quick. That's I like. Okay, I just posted in the suggestion place for the options trading tycoon. There's a couple. Okay, so you could do this one. You could buy the 15 and sell the 20 calls. All right. So I have a debit spread tutorial in the top right hand corner. If you guys need help with how to do debit spreads, all right, we're going to go through this video assuming you know how to do it. And if you don't, that's a very quick video to explain it. Okay, so if you buy the 15 calls for April 2022 and sell the 20 calls, right, it's going to cost you a total of $106 per debit spread. Right now, the max profit on this is going to be $395. So that's basically like 4x your money, or I don't know, like 3x your money. Okay. Right there. So, you can turn potentially around 100 into close to 400. right? So that's a very nice option. You know, and you'll definitely make way more than trading shares if you just bought at 13 and then sold it at 25, right? You know, or 20 or something like that. That's much better. Now, these are relatively safe in my opinion. And the reason for that being is that there's, you know, 4 months of time for you to take profit in this, right? So if you can't sell this for profit in 4 months, then that's your fault. And you know, maybe your entry wasn't good, right? Entry is everything. You can't just buy something just because you watched the video. Um, you know, like on this, you know, you have to know when to get in and when to get out. All right. I'm just showing you some good trades to look at that maybe you guys can find out what is a good entry price and what is a good exit price. Okay. So, you know, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'm out.